Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and wait 15 minutes for any airbag condensers to discharge. This minimizes airbag deployment risk. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and remove the key. Note your radio code and take photos of connector positions. Gather tools, T20 and T25 Torx drivers, a 10mm socket, trim pry tools, a small ratchet with extension, and a magnetic tray. Wear eye protection and label screws as you remove them to keep track during reassembly. Use plastic trim tools to gently pry up lower knee panels, vent bezels, and the center stack trim. Avoid metal tools that scratch. Remove the center stack by undoing T25 Torx screws, then slide the radio and climate control module out to access wiring. Empty and unbolt the glove box, then carefully unclip the passenger airbag connector and secure the airbag in a static safe area. Pop off A-pillar trims from either side, revealing screws that secure the upper dash to the cowl. Keep fasteners sorted by location. Support the dash with a padded prop or have two helpers hold weight while you remove remaining 10mm bolts along the windshield cowl and heater box area. Disconnect HVAC ducts, heater core hoses as needed, instrument cluster harnesses, and the passenger and driver airbag connectors. Lower the steering column and remove the lower trim to free wiring. Unhook the dash from its mounting pins and lift evenly with two people, sliding it forward off the mounts to avoid bending clips or cracking the dash shell during removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.